Hey everyone, have you ever met someone who's super talented at one thing but struggles with another? Let me tell you about Jimmy. He is going to school. He found it hard to get up early and sitting down with a book to read or write. Almost impossible. He was just a bit too lazy for that. His sister Polly, on the other hand, was the complete opposite. She was a great student and could already read, write, and even count. Poor Jimmy couldn't count at all, but here's the twist. While Jimmy struggled with books, he was an amazing artist. He could draw anything, a glass, a bottle of milk, you name it. He could sketch a whole zoo, a horse, a goat, a camel, even birds and beautiful pine trees. It just goes to show that everyone has their own unique talent, right? What's yours? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories.